Taxi driver miss him stop, vendor drop him change. Old man remove him hat, never look so strange. Me start to notice something and it not look right. You only find me speechless from your step out on the road tonight. Excuse me, miss, me have a question. Who grant you that permission to cause such disruption? Me no vex, me just need to know, cause beauty like that shouldn't walk so slow. From crossroads to halfway tree, word already spread. Every man stand up straight, tilt him hot on him head. Barber put the clippers down, forget the line him cut. Said just send something special and left it that. That's every little heartbeat start skip unexpectedly. From the market to the bus stop, it's pure confusion. Energy, energy, energy. Excuse me, miss, me have a question. Who grant you that permission to cause such disruption? Me no vex, me just need to know, cause beauty like that shouldn't walk so slow. Preacher pause mid-sermon, congregation lean. 40 year of preaching, never sight such a thing. Close the Bible slow, look up at the sky. Say forgive me, Father, never tell us why. Check the regulation, nothing written there. A liar, push him glasses up, just staring there. Me ask him what the ruling, him kiss him teeth and say some things above the law and look away. Even me composure gone somewhere far, only meant to observe. Now look where me are. One woman walked the street, never said no sign. Fix everything wrong and make it